there, boys and girls. All right, today in writing, we talked about what is advice. So, advice is an opinion of suggestions about what someone should do in a particular situation. Advice is intention. The intention is to help. So, what should I do this weekend? Your opinion of suggestions would be what someone should do. So, bowling or taking a hike or maybe doing laundry or something like that. I'm hungry. What would be your advice for that? Go look in the refrigerator. I'm stressed about my test. What would be a piece of advice, or what would be your intention to help this person? Relax, or study for it and you'll do great. Okay? So, I want you to look at your fact fragments. Pick 7. If you want options, you may pick more than 7, but only 7 will be able to be put on the poster. Okay? Write a piece of advice that relates to the fact. Your advice should be meaningful, helpful. Your advice should start with a verb. And now you're going, what is a verb? A verb is an action word. It shows action. As promised, this slide is in your writing folder so that you can go back and use some of the words from it. Okay, so I have included my fact fragments to show you what advice I've written down about the buffalo. So, thick skin, coat, fur helps them survive winter. My advice would be dress for the weather. Live on the open prairies. My advice, cherish wide open spaces. Now, these aren't there are no right or wrong answers here. If you're relating it back to your fact fragment and you're starting it with a verb and you're clever, you'll do just fine. Incredibly big and strong. Have a strong spirit. Use the large head to plow snow or dig for food. Dig your way through rough patches. Roll in the dirt to keep bugs away and help shed fur. Don't be afraid to play in the dirt. Eat grasses, weeds, leafy plants 9 to 11 hours a day. Of course, it's always eat your vegetables. Agile can run up to 35 miles an hour. Exercise does a body good. And some of you gave me some other great pieces of advice using the fact fragments from the buffalo. Okay, what I want you to do is keep in mind your goal is to give advice in a clever way. Okay, that includes the animal's characteristics or qualities. Be clever about it. Use your imagination. Look at the caribou. Okay, a fact fragment about the caribou is they have fur on the bottom of their feet. Advice that could be given would be keep your feet warm. Or, let's see, cold climates down at the bottom. That's your fact fragment about the caribou. Advice would be chill out and relax. So be clever, because on Friday we'll get to make our poster and you will work on this. And if you need help, using a verb, coming up with something fun and clever, including your animal's characteristics, let me know. Okay? Until then, have fun, and I will talk to you later.